Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 5 says a rectangular fabric banner is being designed to announce the new addition to the animal rescue. The banner is to measure 4 foot wide by 8 foot in length. What area of fabric will be needed for the banner? So this is an application problem, and I'm going to look to my question. It says that I want to find the area of the fabric. If I look earlier in my problem, it tells me it's going to be a rectangle. And so I can draw a picture to help me visualize what's happening. So I have a rectangular fabric banner, and I know that it's going to be 4 foot wide by 8 foot in length. And I want to find the area of fabric that's going to be needed, which means I'm going to find all the space in between, or how much fabric is going to be used. And so I need to find the area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to length times width, and so all I'm going to do is substitute. The area will be equal to the length of the banner is 8 foot, and the width of the banner is 4 foot. And so if I multiply that together, the area of fabric that will be needed, 8 times 4, is 32 square feet.